The discomfort of bloating, understanding the basics. Bloating is a sensation that many of us are all too familiar with. It can strike at any time, often when we least expect it. We've all experienced that uncomfortable feeling of fullness and pressure in our abdomen. That's bloating. It can make us feel sluggish and uneasy, disrupting our daily routines. It's often accompanied by gas, which can be embarrassing and bothersome. This can make social interactions awkward and leave us feeling self-conscious. Bloating is a common digestive issue, and understanding its causes is the first step towards relief. By identifying the root of the problem, we can take proactive steps to manage it. Bloating occurs when the gastrointestinal tract fills with excess air or gas. This can happen for a variety of reasons, including diet, lifestyle, and even stress. This can cause the abdomen to feel tight and distended. The sensation can be quite uncomfortable, making it difficult to focus on anything else. It can range from mild discomfort to severe pain, affecting our daily lives. In some cases, the pain can be so intense that it interferes with our ability to work or enjoy leisure activities. While occasional bloating is normal, persistent or severe bloating can indicate an underlying issue. It's important to pay attention to these symptoms and seek medical advice if necessary. Knowing the causes and effective strategies to manage bloating can help you regain control of your digestive health. Educating yourself about this condition is empowering and can lead to better health outcomes. Let's explore the common culprits behind bloating and discover ways to alleviate discomfort. From dietary changes to lifestyle adjustments, there are many approaches to finding relief and improving your overall well-being. Your plate and your gut dietary choices and bloating. The foods we choose to eat can have a profound impact on how we feel, especially when it comes to our digestive system. What we eat plays a significant role in our digestive health, including bloating. A balanced diet is crucial, but even healthy foods can sometimes cause discomfort. Certain foods are known gas producers, leading to that uncomfortable, full feeling. This can be particularly noticeable after a large meal or when consuming specific types of food. High-fiber foods, while essential for a healthy gut, can cause gas as they are broken down by bacteria in the large intestine. This process is natural but can lead to bloating and discomfort. Examples include beans, lentils, broccoli, and whole grains. These foods are packed with nutrients but can be challenging for some people to digest smoothly. Carbonated beverages like soda and sparkling water release carbon dioxide gas in the digestive system, contributing to bloating. The bubbles in these drinks can expand in your stomach, causing that bloated feeling. Sugary foods and artificial sweeteners can also be hard to digest, leading to fermentation in the gut and gas production. This is especially true for foods containing high fructose corn syrup and other artificial ingredients. Dairy products contain lactose, a sugar that many people have difficulty digesting, leading to gas, bloating, and other digestive discomfort. Lactose intolerance is common and can cause significant digestive issues. Understanding how these dietary choices impact your digestion can help you make adjustments for a happier gut. By being mindful of what you eat and how it affects your body, you can reduce bloating and improve your overall digestive health. Making informed choices at the grocery store and reading food labels carefully can make a big difference. Beyond the plate, other culprits behind bloating. While diet plays a significant role, other factors contribute to bloating. Swallowed air, a natural part of eating and drinking, can get trapped in the digestive system, causing that tight, gassy feeling. Certain digestive disorders can also lead to chronic bloating. Irritable bowel syndrome, celiac disease, and inflammatory bowel disease can disrupt normal digestion and cause a buildup of gas. Constipation, characterized by infrequent bowel movements, can also cause bloating. When stool sits in the colon for extended periods, it can ferment, producing gas and discomfort. Strategies for relief: navigating bloating with ease. Fortunately, several strategies can help alleviate bloating and restore digestive comfort. Making gradual changes to your diet can make a significant difference. Eat slowly and chew your food thoroughly to aid digestion and reduce the amount of air swallowed. Identify and avoid trigger foods that you notice worsen your bloating. Consider reducing your intake of high FODMAP foods. FODMAPs are specific types of carbohydrates that are poorly absorbed in the small intestine, leading to fermentation and gas. Keeping a food diary can help you pinpoint specific foods that trigger your bloating. By identifying and managing these triggers, you can enjoy your favorite foods without discomfort. The power of hydration. Water as your ally. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, including digestion. Water helps move food through the digestive tract, preventing constipation and reducing bloating. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially between meals. Dehydration can slow down digestion and worsen constipation, exacerbating bloating. Carry a reusable water bottle with you as a reminder to stay hydrated throughout the day. Adequate hydration supports healthy bowel movements, reducing the likelihood of gas buildup and bloating. Movement for gut health, exercise, and bloating. Regular physical activity is not only beneficial for your overall health, but also for your digestive system. Exercise helps stimulate bowel movements, promoting regularity and reducing gas and bloating. Engage in at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Walking, jogging, swimming, and cycling are excellent options. Even gentle exercises like yoga or stretching can help move gas through the digestive tract, providing relief. Remember to listen to your body and choose activities you enjoy to make exercise a sustainable part of your routine. Over-the-counter aids, providing temporary relief. Several over-the-counter remedies can provide temporary relief from gas and bloating. Simethicone, found in products like Gas X and Mylantagas, helps break down gas bubbles in the digestive tract, making them easier to pass. Lactase supplements can be helpful for individuals with lactose intolerance. These supplements provide the enzyme lactase, which helps break down lactose in dairy products, preventing gas and bloating. While these remedies can offer temporary relief, it's essential to address the underlying causes of your bloating for long-term management. Probiotics, nurturing your gut's microbiome. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that naturally reside in our gut. They play a vital role in digestion and can help balance the gut microbiome, reducing bloating and gas. Consider incorporating probiotic-rich foods into your diet, such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. You can also opt for probiotic supplements available in various forms, including capsules, tablets, and powders. Choosing the right probiotic strain for your specific needs is essential. Consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian for personalized recommendations. Stress and your gut, managing stress for digestive harmony. The gut-brain connection is a powerful one. Stress and anxiety can significantly impact digestion, leading to bloating, gas, and other digestive discomforts. Engage in stress-reducing activities that you enjoy, such as yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Prioritizing self-care and stress management techniques can have a positive impact on your gut health. Find healthy ways to cope with stress and make time for relaxation and self-care in your daily routine. A balanced lifestyle with effective stress management can contribute to a happier, healthier gut. When to seek professional help. Persistent bloating. While occasional bloating is common, persistent or severe bloating can indicate an underlying medical condition. If your bloating is chronic, accompanied by other digestive symptoms, or interfering with your daily life, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional. Your doctor can help determine the underlying cause of your bloating and recommend appropriate treatment options. Early diagnosis and treatment can prevent complications and improve your overall digestive health. Don't hesitate to seek medical advice if you are concerned about your digestive health. Your doctor is your partner in managing your health and well-being. Your journey to a happier gut. A final word. This is the culmination of everything we've discussed so far, and it's important to take these final thoughts to heart. Bloating can be an uncomfortable and frustrating experience, often leaving you feeling helpless and unsure of what to do next. But by understanding its causes and implementing these practical strategies, you can take significant steps towards alleviating this discomfort. You can find relief and regain control of your digestive health, leading to a more comfortable and enjoyable daily life. Remember to make gradual dietary changes, stay hydrated, incorporate regular exercise, and manage stress effectively. These small, consistent actions can make a big difference over time. If your bloating persists or worsens, it's crucial to seek professional advice. Don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. They can provide insights tailored to your specific needs and help you navigate your journey to better gut health. Your gut health is vital to your overall well-being, influencing not just your digestive system but your entire body and mind. Taking proactive steps to care for it can lead to a healthier, happier you. Embrace these changes and make them a part of your daily routine. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this information helpful and empowering. Remember to subscribe for more informative tips on health and wellness. Stay tuned for more content designed to help you live your best life.